Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can lock your camera auto focus or the auto exposure correction on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key at the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the camera app. Next, what you want to do is tap on the screen on a subject that you want to lock. Now at the moment you can see if I tap on that, there is a white circle with a padlock on the top, and if you look carefully you can see the padlock is in the open position. So if you want to lock into an object, so first you have it focus and then you touch and hold, and now you can see the circle becomes yellow and the padlock is now in a lock position. And down here you can now manually adjust the brightness. So you can see if I bring it all the way to the right, it gets very bright. And this time, because it is now locked, it will not automatically correct the brightness or the exposure. So you can see at the moment the photo is overexposed. Now if I unlock it, if I tap on it again to go back to the auto correction, and if I try to manually overexpose, you can see if I move my camera around, shortly after, the camera should automatically try to correct itself, and you can see the pitch. It will eventually it will bring the brightness down. It may not happen straight away, but eventually you can see the camera sensor will pick up the lighting that it is overexposed, and it will automatically try to correct itself. And that's how you can lock the autofocus or the exposure on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.